Hello everyone, welcome to Rao's Academy for Competitive Examination. Today in this session we are going to discuss about nuclear technology, approach for nuclear technology. What are the different topics that you are supposed to study under nuclear technology? So let us start with this video. Nuclear technology has not been mentioned in the syllabus, but UPSC has asked questions on this, both in prelims as well as mains examination. So what are the different topics that you are supposed to study for nuclear technology? So in nuclear technology, first of all, it is important to know about nuclear science. Nuclear science. What comprise of nuclear science? In nuclear science, there are various aspects like atoms, nucleus, then different atomic particles like protons, neutrons, electrons, right? Then what is atomic number? Atomic number. What is mass number? Mass number. What do we mean by isotopes? What is radioactivity? Right, so all these different aspects you should be aware of under nuclear science chapter, right? Then it is also important to know about various nuclear reactions. Various nuclear reactions. What kind of reactions? Nuclear fission reaction, nuclear fission reaction, and nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fission and fusion, right? And in order to know these reactions, especially nuclear fission reaction, you should be aware of fissile material and fertile material. Fertile material, right? For example, fissile material is that which will be able to set in nuclear fission reaction. On the other hand, fertile material will not set in nuclear fission reaction on its own, right? So that is what is nuclear reactions. Then after this, it is important to know about nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactors. What are different components of nuclear reactors? What are different types of nuclear reactors? Right, so that is also an important aspect of this particular technology. Then Indian nuclear program is the most important aspect, because UPSC has asked one question on Indian nuclear program in 2017's mains examination. Indian nuclear program. This Indian nuclear program, you must be aware, is given by Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and it consists of 3 stages. Fine. So that is Indian nuclear program. Then applications of nuclear technology. Applications of nuclear technology. So nuclear technology has its applications in number of sectors, right? It is not only about power or energy or and weapons, right? It does not have applications only in energy and weapons. It has its application in industries, medical sector, agriculture sector, then even in carbon dating, right? So all those applications you should be aware of. Fine. So that is one of the important aspects related to nuclear technology. Now, once you are done with this, it is also important to know some multilateral export control regimes, because UPSC has asked questions on these multilateral export control regimes as well. Like, which are those multilateral export control regimes? Nuclear Suppliers Group, NSG, then MTCR, Missile Technology Control Regime, then Wassenaar Arrangement, and Australia Group. These are some of the important multilateral export control regimes, and the most important one is this. Why this is the most important? Because India is not a member of this NSG multilateral export control regime. Nuclear suppliers group, we are not a member of, but we are a member of other three. Fine. And then related aspects are also there, like NPT, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency, then India's nuclear policy, right? So all these aspects you should be able to cover in this particular chapter, right? Because this chapter especially is a static chapter, right? It does not have a number of current related developments. But in case any current development happens, then that also becomes important from the exam's perspective. Right, so these are some of the important topics that you are supposed to cover in order to have a holistic coverage of nuclear technology. Thank you.